morning, sir, madam. I am Simonetto Sandoval, 41 years old, Manila, Iloilo. I'm a single parent, and I already finished college, 2 years college at Colegio del Sagrado Corazon.
2 year course? What
2 years course.
2 year course. What course is that?
I take hotel and restaurant management, and this is my first time to work abroad, but I do housework such as babysitting, cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, washing, and I'm also a good cook because I love to cook foods.
So, in your house, you did cooking?
Yes, pardon
You
me.
did cooking in your house?
Yes, ma'am.
How often?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day, ma'am, because I have to cook for my children.
Okay. You mentioned that you are a single parent.
Yes, ma'am, I'm already separated.
You are married but you are separated
Yes.
from. How long have you been separated?
5 years already.
5 years. How many children you have?
I have 4 children.
4.
And
Your husband is still supporting you financially?
No.
So where did you stay now?
I'm staying with my parents.
So you live with your parents. Okay, that's why you are the one in charge of the cooking. Aside from your children, how many are you in your house together with your parents?
We are 8 in the family.
If ever you have the chance to work abroad, then who will take care of your children?
My parents will
So
take care.
they are in good hands.
Yes, they are willing to take care.
Okay. Presently, are you working? So who is supporting
Yes,
you?
I'm working presently. Before June 2004, I think.
No, how long have you been jobless?
Almost 10 years.
So where did you get the money?
No, my sister supported my children.
You did not have any work, any income?
Sometimes I will also work as a dealer.
So direct selling, something
Yes.
like that. Okay. So income is not enough. Okay, that's why you decided to work abroad.
Yes.
And you can manage to be away from your children.
Yes.
How long do you plan to work?
As long as I am able.
You know you have a 2 years contract, you need to finish that.
Yes, I
And
will.
if given a chance to renew or
Yes, I will.
you're to work longer. Okay. And as a house helper, what can you do best?
Maybe I do best to work hard enough.
Yeah. So what housework you can do best?
Cooking.
So you're good at cooking. How about caring children?
Okay.
How old is the child you prefer to take?
Maybe 1 year old.
So what can you promise to the employer if ever they will hire you as their worker there?
I promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I promise to work hard and follow the rules in the house. Thank you.